What's up? Good morning. Let's see. I don't know what's up with my mic. Hold on. Let's see. That's probably why. Oh yeah, your boy's gonna need a new mic. Whoa. You guys hear me fine? Am I loud enough for you guys? Jeez. Straight up bent the pin that goes into the mic. That's not good. Let's see. Good morning, everybody. Might just have to talk louder. Let me know. I mean, do I sound clear? Do I sound as loud as I usually am? Or do I sound quiet? Boom, boom. Send now. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Go live. You can hear me loud and clear. Let me tell you, every time I get something that involves a little plug that goes in, it's got like a pin that plugs in, I always break it. That's why I don't have a headset anymore, because I always broke the pin that went into my computer. Every time I would have the headset on and I would stand up to walk away and I would take the mic with me and it would literally rip out of the computer and always bend the little pin. But yeah, so yesterday gave you guys the exact bottom and the exact top. So if we head on over to NQ, remember, I like this NQ a lot more than I like SPY right now. NQ going over to QQQ. Remember, we are doing more analysis on the futures and then applying that to QQQ and SPY. I had a lot of people DMing me yesterday, how do I base trades off of NQ and then trade QQQ? How do I apply the levels over to QQQ? It's very simple. You don't. You make the actual trades based off of the technical analysis that's going on with NQ, and then you trade the QQQ options. Does that make sense to everybody? My God, this thing is so bent. Holy crap. Anyways, so yes, if NQ is coming down to demand and it's going to bounce, you trade QQQ calls. It's that simple. With ES, if ES is coming down to a bounce or up to a reject, you trade the SPY options. So we're going to be looking for some new supply and demand levels real quick. As always, if you guys could, make sure to smash that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 92 people in here, only 27 likes. I know a lot more people are going to start tuning in a little later because I started going live earlier in the morning for you guys. That way, we can do a thorough analysis on the overall market. So how I gave you guys the top and bottom yesterday on NQ. If we go on over to the 2-hour time frame, if you guys did not watch yesterday's video, but one way to draw supply and demand is rally, base, rally. That's one way to draw your demand. Another way to draw your demand is if we get a drop and then a rally. I wouldn't really consider this a demand zone, but just imagine these green candles went straight up from here. We have drop, base, and then rally. That would become a demand zone. So in this scenario, we have rally, base, rally. This then becomes demand. Now, because this red candle, the bottom of the red candle is higher than this green wick right here, you would take the green wick to the red body. Now, if this green candle was above the low, let me see if I can find an example. Hold on. Might have to go to I know there was a 30-minute yesterday, I believe. Hold on. It was a smaller. Here's the 30-minute zone right here, right? So we have drop, base, and then rally. So because the green candle is above the red candle, we would take the low right here to the open of this red candle, and this would be demand. That would be 30-minute demand right there. So that's how I found yesterday's bottom, simply by finding that rally, base, rally. Let's go back to the 2-hour. Boom, boom. So rally, base, rally, draw your 2-hour demand. As you can see, we came right down into the level going into the market open, tagged it, and then immediately ripped. Now, again, I'm newer to supply and demand, but I feel like I have a good enough grasp on it to start teaching you guys what I like to do. Look at the 1-minute time frame As we can see, bounce. I'm not simply basing a trade just because we hit demand, because we could, dip all the way down to here before actually reversing. So what I'll do is I'll break it down to the 1 minute time frames, and I'm watching these pretty much watching the wicks on these 1 minute candles. So as you can see, when we bounced right here, we pushed up to here. The next candle, we pushed up to here. Therefore, our entry is if we break above here or break above here. It's up to you, whichever one you want. And the stop loss is right below here. And as you can see, ripped all the way up into the reject zone, which was I believe it was a 4-hour supply. Hold on. Yes, 4-hour supply. So as you can see, drop, rally, base, drop. So in this scenario, here's the top of supply. Here's the bottom of supply. Or no. How did I have this drawn? Yeah, it was pretty close to it. It might have been a 2-hour. I can't remember what it was. Yeah, it was a 2-hour. Here we go. Right there. So we had a 2-hour zone inside of a 4-hour zone. So now if we take the high to the low right here, you can see, extended to the right, this is supply, and we pretty much came up and tagged it to a T. Also on top of that, we had the 61.8% retracement there. But yeah, so again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. I do have supply and demand videos coming in the near future. I guarantee you guys are going to love it. Guarantee it. I don't know. Should we get live for the people on TikTok today? I haven't been live in a minute. Haven't showered this morning yet. Just got back from the gym. Hopped on here with you guys. But I will let the people on TikTok look at me looking homeless. Hold on. Let me get live for them. Let me include them. It's been a while since I went live. TikTok. Haven't been on TikTok in a fat minute. What's crazy is like I used to have, or I still have a big following on TikTok. I just never post anymore. I was making TikTok videos before I was even making YouTube videos. Crazy. Hold on, guys. And then we're going to find our levels, I promise. But how'd everybody else do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. Go live. Got my little taser here, too. They can see that. Actually, no, TikTok might ban me for having that. Let's move that. Yes, I can make a tape reading video, an updated one, because I already have one, but it does not include time and sales, I don't believe. Cool. Okay, let's find new supply and demand zones. Again, this one is still going to be important. 2-hour demand still going to be important because we haven't broke through it yet. Let's see. So 2-hour demand, we do have 30-minute demand that we're going to take a look at. We have this supply zone right here. Pretty much 2-hour supply, also inside of 4-hour supply. So let's see, 4-hour supply starts right there. We're gonna make this like pink. Name it 4-hour supply. Green, $82 on QQQ, 18K. I mean, hey, if you made 18K, good job. Good morning. So yeah, we got that 4-hour zone up there. Again, we're pretty much just trading in this level, but what has me interested, again, I like NQ so much more than SPY right now. So I prefer QQQ over SPY. We have this daily flag right here. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit. We're pretty much trading at it again. Let me check the economic calendar real quick. Good morning, everybody. You prefer the TikTok live over YouTube? Hey, completely up to you. Let's see, what is today? The 15th. Retail sales, 8:30. Empire State Manufacturing Index, 8:30. Then we have some news at 9:15, and then Home Builders Index at 10. Okay. Beautiful. Let's see. I'll answer your questions here in a minute. So, 2-hour demand. We pretty much also have daily demand right here. At this level right here, I just prefer that 2-hour demand zone. So going to be watching that. Whoops. Go to the 4-hour. Again, we also hit that 61.8 yesterday, here to here. That was the top yesterday in the market. So we pretty much hit it already. Going to pay attention to that trend line. Nope, that's not valid. That's not valid. That's not valid. Maybe. No, I wouldn't consider that. That's it for the 4-hour. Check the 3-hour. We also had 3-hour demand. Jesus. We have so much demand in this zone right here. That's what we hit yesterday. Was 3-hour supply. Not demand, supply. Let's see. Or no, hold on. Whoops. No, my bad. It's this one right here. Anyways, let's see. 2-hour base rally. I mean, if we started to get down there, I'd be interested. Not seeing too much on the 2-hour. Drop it down to a 1-hour. Again, we're going to see this better on the 30-minute. Good morning. Cool. So, I mean, pretty much the only new addition. Again, we also have this one, which we were trading in yesterday. So, rally-based rally again. And we ended up breaking below it. Or actually, no. We broke below it. But this was valid yesterday before we actually broke below it. So, again, rally, base, rally, hit it. Had a nice little push up. So, we're going to remove that. Boom, boom. And then we have this one right here. So, let's draw the bottom of the zone to the top of the zone. Boom. Green. Also, good morning, everybody on TikTok. Hopefully, everybody's having an amazing day. Everybody on YouTube, same to you guys as well. Let's see, 30-minute. 30-minute demand on the right. Oh, what's up, Nay? 30-minute demand. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 200 likes and you guys get the watch list. And again, the way that you translate ES to SPY is you do the analysis on ES and you make the trades on SPY. That's the only way I can break it down. Let's see. Again, ES, NQ, trade SPY, trade QQQ based off the levels. So there's our 30-minute. No good 15-minute zones that I prefer. We have our overnight low right here. Pulling back right now. Let me see if we have fib levels that line up inside of this or inside of any spots. Good morning. And thank you for the subscribe. We got really close to that 50% fib right there. So personally not going to watch that. Let me see where that 61.8 is. Maybe if we dip down towards that 61.8. And no, I do not trade SPX. I do not trade SPX at all. But here's a simple way. Okay, so a lot of people are asking, how do you transfer ES in the SPY? If we're looking for a bounce that's 10 points down, right? 10 points. Say we're looking for a bounce 10 points exactly from where ES is right now. So 41.16. 10 points on ES is $1 on SPY, roughly $1 on SPY. 20 points on ES is roughly $2. 15 points on ES is roughly $1.50. That's how you can kind of transfer that. NQ, I have zero clue about the calculation. I'll tell you guys that right now. Only ES I'm good at. Anyways, going back to NQ. So, again, I mean, that's pretty much it. We're just trading in the zone. I think that 2-hour bull flag or daily bull flag is going to be the most important. But again, we have 30-minute zone right here. Solid support over here. Again, this entire area has been really strong. Again, mean, some people might consider this 1 hour demand, but I'm not going to. Overnight low. Boom. How's everybody doing on TikTok? What are you guys doing over here? AMC, no. No, no, no. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we break above here. Again, that trend line is going to be the main watch. And then if we can crack the top of this zone right here, we're gone. Right above 12,728.5. We should push up into this high over here. There we go. No, SPY and ES move the exact same at the same exact time. It's just, again, with the QQQ 2-hour demand yesterday, that bounced right off of it, you would have never found that on QQQ. Never. Let's see. So, NQ, I still prefer this setup over. I still prefer this / QQQ over ES and SPY. Currently trading at the daily bull flag. And then, yes, every 1 point on ES is a 10-cent move for SPY. At the daily bull flag, trend line. If we break above, I am looking to go long into supply at 12,689.25 to 12,728.5. Above there, we should push into. It's pretty much a straight shot into that level. Unless there's one zone over here. Let's try a 45-minute. See if there's something there. Come on. There we go. Yes. So there actually is something on the 45. Right up here. 45 minutes supply. Yeah, again, it's super simple. Do the technical analysis on ES, trade the levels based off of ES, but trade the SPY options. Super, super simple. Does that make sense to everybody? 45-minute supply. Boom. Boom. There we go. Okay, so break above there. We should push into 40-minute supply at 12,839.5 to 12,878. Then 12,949.75. Hold on. Yeah, we'll leave that on. If we start pulling, again, you never know which zone is going to be valid. Same thing with the fibs. That's why you watch price action. Price action is going to be very important. If we start pulling and break the overnight low at 1253, 1.25, I will be looking to short into 30-minute demand at 12.45 417.5. No, you got to type /ES. 30 minute 124175 to 12470. Boom. Thank you for the subscribe, by the way. I greatly appreciate it. NQ ES. And then let's delete all this. Boom. So failed breakout on ES yesterday, could not hold. Maybe we can crack and get that push up. Okay, I'm gonna explain this one more time for you, William. All right, one more time. Since SPY, okay, SPY overnight. Let's look at this price action for SPY overnight. This price action, it's very illiquid. Not many moves at all for SPY. If we go to ES and we look at the ES levels, there's so much more liquidity and a lot more movement. It makes it a lot easier to do the analysis on ES, right? 23 hours a day this thing trades. SPY only trades 9:30 to 4 Eastern time. So doing the analysis on ES /ES, the futures, right? You're going to find more accurate levels. Levels that you have on SPY might not be the right level, but you go on over to ES and it is the right level. I can't tell you the amount of times that I've done fibs on ES that have been applied. Like SPY came nowhere close to its fib, but ES hit the fib. Or yesterday on NQ, again, the QQQ futures, NQ. You would have never ever found this 2-hour zone on QQQ because QQQ does not trade enough overnight or anything. You just would not have been able to find the zone. So trading off the futures moves the market. ES and NQ, they move SPY, they move QQQ. Big money is trading the futures. That's why doing your analysis on the futures and trading SPY and QQQ based off the futures levels put the probabilities in your favor. Does that make sense? Let's go back to ES. Let's get these levels. Okay, perfect. Because I know you've been asking since yesterday. I got you. Tried to explain it the best that I could. I got you. I got you. Then I'm going to have to make a whole video on this. Yeah, and the other thing is, look at the 1-hour candle on ES and then like 1-hour candles on SPY, right? The pre-market doesn't move as much on SPY as it does in ES. Like 1 hour on ES is literally 1 hour of trading. 1 hour on SPY is 30 minutes of pre-market going into the market open. That first 1 hour candle is 30 minutes of pre-market and then 30 minutes of trading to make that 1 hour candle. Does that make sense? Anyways, let's hop into these levels again. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Remember, if you guys want the watch list today, we need 200 likes. So again, we did pull down to that daily 21 EMA. We held it as support. We ended up pushing to the upside. Again, I personally wouldn't consider this daily demand, but I know some people might. I'm just personally not going to draw it on my chart. Go to the 4 hour. All right, so drop base rally. Boom, boom. We got 4 hour demand right there, which we pretty much tagged. Boom, boom. Boom. All right, I got a video for you guys. I'll make it next week, I promise. 4 hour demand. Let's see, what else do we have? Pretty much already tagged that level. We have the highs up here. CPI high right there. CPI high. Good morning, Elizabeth. CPI high. Boom. And then let's see. 4 hour. Let's go to the 3 hour. Also have 3 hour. Let's see. Hold on. Let's go to a 2 hour. See if that looks better. I'd personally be more interested down here if we came down here, to be honest. Good morning. Draw this trend line right there. Extend to the right. We already broke through that. That was based off news. Broke through that. I mean, maybe at like 40.88. I'll see how we trade when we get down to that level, but I'm not going to mark it. Kind of like a 3 hour inside a 2 hour with a 4 hour right there as well. Let's see, wouldn't consider that. Not too big of a move. Let's go to the let's try 1 hour first. Nope. 30 minutes. Boom, boom. Nice big aggressive move up. We got very close in the pre-market. Make that 75. Nah, no penny stocks here. I don't trade penny stocks. None at all. 8-minute demand on the right. Demand. Boom. I don't know. Does anybody in here use Webull that can tell everybody using Webull how to pull up ES? And again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. I'm going to keep reminding you guys, 200 likes is the goal. We got 138, 300 people in here. Stop what you're doing. Click that like button. Run it up. But yeah, I do like that 30-minute demand zone at 4118 to 4103.75. So definitely going to be watching that. Definitely already bounced. Is there any fibs that we can find inside of these zones? Nope, it's already hit that 61.8 yesterday. Definitely already hit that one right there. Go to the 1 hour. Let's see if we got anything else. Definitely already hit a 61.8. Already hit that. Honestly, it does not look like I have any good rejects. Yeah, we smacked that 61.8 yesterday on ES. Rejected it 3 times. Ended up dropping. 30 minutes. Pretty sure. Yep, we already hit that. Yeah, I got no good bounces today. No good bounces, no good rejects. As far as fibs go, unless like we really started to pull, then I have higher time frame ones. So I think, yeah, we already bounced off this 61.8 right here. But if we got a deeper pullback, then I'd be watching down here. That is really all I see today on SPY and ES. Again, I still like NQ a lot more. Boom. So there's a 30-minute one yesterday. Talking about this one right here. Hold on, what'd you say? Did you say supply or demand? Oh, you said supply. Talking about right here. Could have used that one actually. It did tag it. Anyways, all right, this is pretty much all I'm watching on SPY today. SPY and ES. Oh. Yes. If we break above pre-market highs at... Oh, they don't even have futures on Webull? I didn't know that. Just do futures analysis on... Oh, yeah. We got retail sales. Hold on. Let me not post this. Retail sales in 2 seconds. Well, thanks for hitting my 30-minute demand zone. See if we break it. Let's see what the numbers were. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Almost 400 people in here. Make sure you guys are running it up. Let's see. Core retail sales, 2.3%. Let me just move this over for you guys. Oh my God. Core retail sales, month over month, 2.3, forecast 0.9. So higher than expected on that. Previous negative 1.1. Already said that. Month over month, 3% versus 2%. Previous negative 1.1. So higher than expected on this. What's nice is you guys are seeing a nice little demand zone playing out live. Look at that. And we just drew that on the chart. You guys just watched me draw that. And we're bouncing right off of it. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. No, a 50-point move on SPY, 1 point is 10 cents. So a 50-point move would be $5 on SPY. Man, I was really hoping we would not tag that level. Guess we're going to. I do love to see it. At least I know the zone works. Alrighty. Let's get this out to everybody. Again, we break below the level. I'll look to take it down into the next zone. Alright. ES went right into my 30-minute demand zone. Between 4118 to 4103.75. If we can hold this level, I will look for longs, and ideally would like to see us push above pre-market highs at 41.75. If we break the demand zone to the downside, I will be looking for puts. Into the next demand zone down at 4077.75 to 4060.75. Might have to do a Team Bull webinar on all this. All right, cool. Since everybody still loves SPY, we'll talk about SPY real quick. Again, but I'm keeping the analysis on ES and NQ and trading that way. But again, you know, if we can actually break and hold above this trend line on right here on SPY, I would look for the continuation to the upside. Let's see where we're trading in the pre-market. So watch that breakout above pre-market highs. Again, that bull flag, and we should see the continuation drop above or drop below this pre-market low. We could see a further downside if we do break that demand right here. So keep that on your radar for SPY. Again, very basic analysis. Again, I think you're going to have to do, if you're using Webull, you're going to have to use TradingView or TrendSpider to find your NQ and ES. But yeah, so QQQ rejected right off of that 61.8% retracement yesterday. 1, 2, pretty much 3. So that's going to be a big level that we have to break to get the continuation to the upside. We have to break that for the continuation on QQQ. Again, take your trend line right here. Wait for that. We need to get a candle close plus a break above there. Then we can actually get the push above 308 and possibly back up to 314. That's mainly what I would watch on QQQ. And then if we take a look at Dixie, Dixie's actually pushing off that news. So with the SPY, you can actually see the 30-minute demand on SPY today. Or SPY, because it happened during market yesterday. So here's your 30-minute demand. Right there. Boom. There you go. There's your 30-minute demand. Bounce right off of it. Right to a T. So that's everything with SPY, QQQ, ES, and NQ. Again, I'm in Boeing butterflies. I'm not heavy in this whatsoever. I just really like this daily squeeze and I want to try to play it to the upside. Literally $51 for a max reward of 449. So why would I not play that? You know what I mean? Trading comes down to probability, such a limited risk on that. How many of you would risk $51 to potentially make 449? I think that's a very simple answer. Very simple. So I am going to look to add to that butterfly today. We just need a daily close above 219. So I added my position earlier in the day yesterday before market closed, just in case we pumped going into the end of the day. But I don't have that proper confirmation yet. Once we close 219, I'll add the rest of my position, willing to risk everything. And then, again, real quick, if you're in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. 400 people in here, 186 likes. We're getting super close to that goal. And then real quick, in case you guys did not know, I do have a 450-page book on Amazon titled The New Age of Technical Analysis, where I go over my entire day trading and swing trading strategy, all the indicators I use, how to find bounces, rejects, support and resistance, price targets, etc. Make sure to check it out. The New Age of Technical Analysis on Amazon. Plus, it's 20% off right now using that link right there. Anyways, let's see what we like today. Again, Boeing, that's going to be a side watch. Let's see what is squeezing. Somebody keep me updated on the futures as well, or just SPY and QQQ. Yeah, if it expires at 0, it expires at 0. But the goal of the butterfly is to at least get 100%. Looking at the squeeze list today, 15-minute, 1 hour, 30-minute squeezes on the futures. But the goal is to get 100%. Once we get 100%, we sell half the position, 75% of the position, whatever it is. And we hold the rest to get those larger percentage gains, 200, 300, 400. Let's see. Apple, trying to hold the breakout. Personally, not too interested in Apple. We'll skip over that. Head on over to AMD. AMD's trading at that upper trend line right now. Honestly, if AMD can crack yesterday's high, I would be interested. So we're going to need a market pump today. Let me pull up the car horns. AMD. Retesting demand right now. Thank you very much. AMD. Possibly watch that. I do have an old butterfly video, but I'll make an updated one next week. Again, Amazon, honestly, I think if the market pulls, Amazon's going to be the one to drop. This thing looks super weak. Till we can start closing back up above those moving averages on the 1 hour and 4 hour, if the market pulls, the squeezes are likely going to fire down. Again, Boeing, let's put that on the side right now. 219 is still that main area that I am interested in. Let's see, Baba. Not interested in Baba. Don't care about Coin. Don't care about Google. Meta. Oh, that 1 hour squeeze looks ready to fire down on Meta. 1 hour squeeze, 4 hour squeeze. Where are we trading at in the pre-market? Let's see. 77.8. Yeah, if the market pulls, I'd actually be interested in Meta today. Meta, Microsoft. Hey, there's a 200 like goal. I love it. Microsoft 1 hour squeeze paid their dividend this morning. Trading at yesterday's low. Maybe if it recovered, I'd be interested. Not necessarily interested in the downside. We'll see. But I'm going to keep that on the side. Netflix. Honestly, that squeeze could fire down too if the market starts to pull. I haven't even looked at Tesla yet. I know that people were talking about it earlier. Nvidia is right at the top of that 4 hour supply. So if we can break through there again and get over yesterday's high, that's going to be big. Big, big, big. What's up? Good morning. We have news at 9. Hold on. Let me pull it back up. 9:15 and 10 o'clock. That's when we have news. So there's that. Everybody's leaving without the watch list. Oh, well. Tesla. Let's take a look at Tesla. I do like that Nvidia, though. Oh, yeah. Tesla is strong. 214. Yeah, we're trading right at its recent high. So if we can get strength above 214, I'm going to try an early position. Take it into 214.5. And then we get above 214.5. I'm taking it higher. Tesla's definitely on the list today. Going to see if Jadon possibly has a bounce. Just visually looking at this, my preferred bounce would be around like 206.75. So let's see. AMD, Boeing, Meta, Nvidia, Tesla. Okay, so if you guys want to watch AMD, feel free to do so. What is this trend line? Why did I draw it like that? That's awful. Never mind. I don't care about AMD. AMD don't care about Boeing. That's going to be a side watch. Again, we need the strength above 219 for this thing to push. So if you want to watch that, feel free. Meta. I'm going to look at this a little closer to market open, but I do like both ways on Meta. But we do have a nice 1 hour and 4 hour squeeze that could potentially fire down if the market does get weak, and we could take it back down into yesterday's low at 175.88. So I'm going to watch Meta, Nvidia. Of course I can share my Instagram. Hold on. Oh, how do I get my Instagram link? Hold on. Give me 1 second. Where's Instagram? There it is. Cool. So if you guys could, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I post educational content on there every single day. I forgot to do yesterday's educational story post, but I'm going to post it today. So yeah, give me a follow on Instagram. Tons of motivation, tons of free game. As always, want to see you guys win, so make sure to drop that follow. But yeah, so Nvidia inside a 4 hour supply. If we can break above yesterday's high and get that 30-minute squeeze to fire, very interested. Very, very interested. So let's take Meta off. Nvidia, Tesla, those are going to be the mains. We still sitting in that demand? Yeah, we are. Hey, you guys saw it, not trade, but you guys saw it play out live. Right down to it, bounce. Now we're pushing. So there's actually two ways that you could have went about trading this. So as you see, we went into the demand, pushed up, and then we pulled back and we set a higher low. This could have offered you your entry right here with a stop right below here, or this would have skewed the risk reward against you. So you would have just had to size a little smaller. But once you broke above this high right here at 41.24, that's when you could look to go long with either a stop loss below here or a stop loss below here. So just fun little fact. Let's take a look at Nvidia. So again, we're trading in that 4-hour supply zone pretty much at the top. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this because we're pretty much trading in it. 4-hour supply, 4-hour supply. We'll actually just make this one red. Or pink. There we go, 4-hour supply, so I know. Oh, that's the gap fill. There we go, okay. So, we'll have the gap fill there. Pretty much. I mean, I don't see much up here. I really don't. Like one spot. Right there. 243.15. We got weekly supply all the way up here. Hey, I'm good. Nvidia's on the list today for me. Oh, let me make sure that there's no fibs. Pivot high, pivot low, 255.42. And we're above that 61.8. Cool. Me gusta mucho. Nvidia. Boom. Nvidia. If the market is bullish today and we get a push, this is my #1 priority. I like this if we can clear 230.5, which it looks like we've hit this a couple of times. Yeah, so we pretty much double topped at this area. 230.5, we break there. If we can clear 230.5, we should see a nice continuation to the upside. Price target equal 234.15. After that, riding the momentum. Cool. There's Nvidia. How many likes do we got? I know we got 200, but hey, if you guys want to continue to run up the likes, I'd appreciate it. 234 people. You guys also want to know what's like super exciting? Your boy is about to own his dream house at 24 years old. That's just crazy to comprehend. Dream house at 24. Amazing. But yeah, that's just super exciting for me. Huge accomplishment, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Nvidia, we'll take a look at Tesla. I mean, I prefer that bounce at 206.50. We moving out the basement. We moving out Jadon's basement. We out. This thing does look super strong. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Not going to post pictures of the actual house on the outside just because I don't want somebody to recognize the house and then pull up. But I'll definitely post a picture on the inside. Let's see. Tesla. I don't know. I don't really have any good levels on Tesla. I mean, honestly, I'd probably just watch it for the continuation above that pre-market high. Yeah, Rhino's going to be very proud. What's up, Grizzly? Honestly, we could use a fib extension here. This is a perfect rounding bottom and then possible breakout. Maybe we even form a 1 hour cup and handle. That could happen. Oops. 1618. So yeah, we get this rounding bottom, maybe a slight pullback that looks like a little handle, and then we break out of the handle and we get the continuation into 221.18. But I don't have much on Tesla. Again, I'm gonna look and see if Grizzly and Jadon have a possible reject or bounce. But from what I'm seeing, I don't really see much. Only area, like I said, 206.62 is what I would be interested in. Premarket. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Cool. I mean, I'm down with this. Tesla looking for a potential breakout today. Nice 1 hour cup and handle. Or no. Nice 1 hour rounding bottom that could lead into a potential cup and handle. If so, I am looking for the continuation. Also would like to see a bounce at 206.62 or to like 207. 207. And then or just a break above pre-market highs. Beautiful. Okay, so we got NQ, ES, Nvidia, and Tesla. Again, going forward, doing the analysis on ES makes things a lot easier. ES, NQ, we smacked that 30-minute demand. Look at where we're going now. Right down into it. Caught those buy orders, and then we pushed up in price. So if we're bullish and we get the push up, I personally don't see much supply. Again, you could use this zone right here. It's just we've already hit it 4 other times. So it's been a strong area. It's just going to be weaker the more that we hit it because it's going to pick up more sell orders. So you can watch this. I'm personally not going to. I'm not going to keep it on my chart. But break above pre-market highs. I'm looking for the continuation to the upside. And I don't see nothing else. I mean, maybe right here. Okay, maybe one spot at like 41.50. I'll watch that. Or no. Because that was in 30 minutes. Ignore that. Ignore what I just said. Cool. So, yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a free watch list for the day. Answer any questions you guys got. Also have over 1,000 videos on my YouTube channel teaching you on how to trade for completely free. So if you're not subscribed, you're definitely missing out. And then real quick, before I drop the watch list in the chat, again, in case you did not know, I do have a 450-page book on Amazon titled The New Age Technical Analysis, where I go over my entire day trading and swing trading strategy, all the indicators I use, how to find bounces, rejects, support and resistance, price targets, etc. So if you guys do want to check that out, 20% off right now on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis. And then last thing, make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post tons of free content and a lot of, free content, educational content. And I always want to see you guys win. Anyways, let's see. Hold on. Cool. All right, let's drop this watch list. So, as always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything I talk about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Boom. There's NQ. Here is ES. ES, Nvidia. Boom, boom. SPY and ES mirror each other. It's just the overnight price action is completely different. You're going to find more accurate levels on the futures than you would on SPY and QQQ. I think I said that like 100 times. Cool. I should. Honestly, that would make things a lot easier if I just do it in one breath and then hit the soundboard. Anyways, any other questions before I hop off for the day? You guys ready to print? You guys ready to run it up, make some money? I know I am. I'm feeling a good day coming. I don't know. I don't really have control over the Kindle version. I don't even know if the Kindle version's on Amazon. I think it is. I'm pretty sure I put it on there. I just don't have control over it. Car horns, alerts, everything I am watching for the day. Are you ready to print? No, SPX and ES. SPX doesn't trade overnight. I personally don't do analysis on SPX. Like, if there's a chart pattern on SPX, I'll watch it like a bull flag or a bear flag or a symmetrical triangle. But other than that, I don't really do analysis on SPX. So, for the people on TikTok, if you guys want to actually get the watch list, gotta tune into the YouTube live streams every morning. I drop it at the end. Let's see. Cool. Any questions you guys got? Make sure to run up them reacts in the channel if you guys are ready to print today. Going to be sharing the new strategy with you guys today, basing trades off of it. So fingers crossed it goes good. And again, we have tons of squeezes today on watch. Look at all those squeezes. If we fire up, ooh, it's going to be fun. Let's pull up. Where's the large watch list? There it is. Yes. NQ. Thank you for the donation, Benjamin. I greatly appreciate you. So what do we have? We have SPY, QQQ, we have Nvidia and Tesla. And then we'll keep going right here. Nvidia right here. Tesla here. Cool. Alrighty. Well, I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I'll be live at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. I wish everybody the best. Everybody on TikTok, I will see you guys tomorrow. Let me end this real quick. Boom. And everybody on the YouTube live stream, I appreciate you guys tuning in every single morning, keeping me company. And yeah, let's run it up. Let's make some money. Let's print. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow.